Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about proper watering methods and techniques whenever you have a steep incline or a steep hill in your lawn. I've talked a lot about making sure you get a ½ inch of water every time you water, which on rotors, that's going to be 35 to 45 minutes per zone for rotors every time you water. Well, if you have a steep incline like this, it's kind of a ditch, but it is irrigated on both sides. When you have a steep incline, running your sprinkler system for that long doesn't do a lot of good. After a certain amount of time, the water just starts to wash off. You just get wash out. It's going to wash out to the center, and it's not going to be really providing any benefit to the lawn that you're trying to water. So there's a specific or certain method or technique you can use called the cycle and soak whenever you're running your irrigation on areas like this. And what that means is you split the watering time in half, and you do 2 waterings. You're still going to do them on the same night or the same day, but you're just going to split it up. Instead of doing one 40-minute watering on those areas, let's say if it was 40 minutes, you would split that in half and do 2 20-minute waterings. Run it one time for 20 minutes, wait an hour, 2 hours, a couple hours or so, and then run it again. And that's going to maximize the amount of water that really gets soaked in deep into the sides of these hills to make sure that they get enough water. So that's what you need to do. Just a little tip or a recommendation if you have any hills in your lawn. If you have really steep hills, sometimes you can even break it into three waterings, but you're not spreading them out over multiple days. You're still running them all in the same days as you're running everything else. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.